I got a little bit cocky with my decorating skills, unfortunately. Oh shit, the cookies! Your minions! I'm coming! Okay, we made it! We made it! They're safe, don't worry, they're not burnt, they're actually perfectly cooked. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot! Thank you guys for reminding me! Thank you! Don't worry, your minions, you guys are totally safe. We made it in time. Thank you, chat. Thank you, Aloupeeps. Thank you, Mistakes. Thank you, the minions. Okay. Alright, let's decorate the Yum Minion. I can't wait. This one looks so chunky. It's so cute. Okay, so this is literally gonna be the easiest thing ever, and I love Shu for it. Thank you so much, Shu. Okay. Oh gosh, I actually used quite a bit of frosting today. Okay, so I think it's like... Here. Hey! Hey! Ta-da! And then I think, there's like a smile or something. Hey! Oh my god, that's so cute! Thank God for simple mascots. Like, look at this cursed thing. But this one is actually gonna be so yummy because there's not a lot of like frosting on it, so that's the way I like it. I'm gonna have the Aloo chat.